right, Math 7, we are finishing up those notes for 7-9 today on semicircle problems. So we're just going to be looking at the examples and applying those formulas that we came up with in the last video. So example 1, keywords asking me for the area of a semicircle. So immediately I can jot down my area formula for that semicircle of area equals 0.5 pi r squared. Remember, you have different options. You could be using the pi r squared divided by 2. So in order to find this area formula, I need to have the r, which stands for my radius. So I need the radius. They don't give me the radius. They give me the diameter. But we know that a diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So if I have the diameter of 15.5, that's equal to 2 times my radius, or 2 times r, I can find out what that radius is by taking that diameter and dividing it by 2, or cutting it in half. And 15.5 divided by 2 is going to give me 7.75. And that's for my radius. Now that I have the radius, because that wasn't asking, that they weren't asking for the radius, but I can't find the area if I don't have the radius. So A equals 0.5 stays 0.5 because that's just a number. Pi stays pi because that's just a number. And in for my r, I get to put the 7.75, not forgetting to square that. And here we can go right into our calculator. Always start with the exponents first. Exponents come first in order of operations. So 0.5, and actually I'm going to do the 0.5 times the radius squared right away to get 30.125. 125 pi. So that right there would be my answer in terms of pi. And actually, we don't even want to say answer. We'll just call that's area, because we know what that is. That's my area in terms of pi. But was the question asking me to do it in terms of pi? Nowhere in the directions did it say that. It actually told us to round to the nearest thousandths, which means I do need to take that one more step in my calculator and multiply that by pi, leaving us with an area that is equal to 34.59, 34.59, just kidding, 54.38 instead. 54.38, right? 59, yes. All right, so again, writing that decimal down first, then you get to go back through and round that to the nearest thousandths. Thousandths is 3 decimal points. It's been a hot minute since we looked at that. Remember, tenths is the 3, then the hundredths. So that 5 is the one that's in the thousandths place. Telling me to look at the 9 next to it, which tells me to round that up. So 94.346 inches squared would be my area.